Velo, USD exchanges close $0 a quite huge manner. Velo really has a medium-term opposition at $0, which essentially is very huge. Velo's EMA especially shows a genuinely descending pattern, or so they generally thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a by and large significant manner. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Clarification on some pressing issues. What truly is in every way that really matters. Momentary cost expectation for Velo. Most certainly is Velo a very wise speculation, or so they by and large thought. Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is very huge, be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination. Generally, let us fundamentally discuss the kind of current economic situations amazingly. Market examination, or so they really thought. Over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,20109,556,157 in an unpretentious manner. The complete exchanging volume especially remains at $29,326,280,073 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of is very huge, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%. So Velo's EMA most certainly shows a sort of descending pattern, which especially is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, or so they basically thought. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents in a quite large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions generally show that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending heading for pretty present moment, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Velo specialized examination. Generally, let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations, which essentially is genuinely critical. As of now, an exceptionally broad, extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Velo backing and obstruction, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Velo specialized examination. Fundamentally, let us certainly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which truly is very critical. Backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path and in every practical sense significant way. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become more dynamic and, all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the genuinely complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $29,326,280,073 or so they truly thought. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers explicitly become truly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which shows that over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,20109,556,157 in an unpretentious manner. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as indicated by value examination market record. Velo for the most part is exchanging at $0, an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. So over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,20109,556,157 or so they truly thought. However, Velo really has a value decline of 5.82% in the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week within in every practical sense. All-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, exhibiting that XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.53 and is of now exchanging at 43 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Velo Value Examination. Velo Cost Examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time span essentially made sense of beneath, which certainly shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which generally is very huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving normal and dramatic moving pretty normal to dissect the future development of the Velo in a significant manner generally. The genuinely relative strength record demonstrates that the Velo coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 30, which generally shows that Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely huge. The VELO, USD moving truly normal combination and uniqueness marker truly is showing a for the most part present moment truly sell genuinely signal as the MACD line basically is moving beneath kind of sign line which explicitly implies in every practical sense, bears all things considered, are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that the 13th of May 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sincerely attempt to respond to these habitually sought clarification on some pressing issues. What sort of is by and large transient cost expectation for Velo? Certainly is Velo a wise venture, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking? While Velo's Williams %R marker generally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition and especially transient pattern essentially inversion explicitly is conceivable, showing how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM truly has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading. Extremely further appearance how Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner. Velo in a real sense is moving in especially descending heading as truly bears effectively in every way that really matters. Take the coin underneath prompt help level of $0, which truly shows what truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%. So Velo's EMA in a real sense shows a really descending pattern, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently Velo ought to by and large track down a help at $0. Probably the merchants could then focus on the vital help level set at $0, which truly shows that the truly relative strength file demonstrates that the Velo coin certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 30, which generally shows that Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, which for the most part is very huge, and Velo really is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to suggest that the digital money fundamentally is in a shaky circumstance that can't sort of be corrected, which generally shows that yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Velo specialized examination. In every practical sense, let us for the most part discuss the